Hi there, students. Shabby, shabbily, the adverb. Shabby's an adjective. Shabby means in bad condition, not looked after, worn and dirty and a bit broken, not cared for, unkempt. So the furniture in the house was very shabby. It was tired and worn out. This is a shabby area of the city. The buildings are in poor condition and the council doesn't spend money on this district. He carried a shabby suitcase. He was wearing shabby clothes, dirty, seedy, dilapidated, a bit slovenly. Now, we can also use shabby to mean substandard. This essay is very shabby and you can do much better. I'm tired of receiving shabby service. The quality of the meal in the restaurant was shabby and I'll never go there again. So below what you would expect, not very good. And then you can also use shabby figuratively to mean unfair, unjust, not generous, contemptible. The company treated the workers shabbily and paid them the absolute minimum. Yeah, not very fairly, not generously. He behaved shabbily and refused to give me my money back, even though he really should have done it. They played a shabby trick on me and ripped me off. So unfair, a little dishonest, not something a gentleman would do. So shabby, worn out, unkempt, not looked after. I stayed in a shabby hotel which charged very low rates. Then shabby, substandard, shoddy, second rate. The builder did a very shabby repair to the roof and a month later it was leaking again. And then shabby, unfair, dishonourable, mean, shameful. He had done many shabby things in his life to survive. He had been a star worker for the company and had saved it on many occasions, but when he retired they treated him shabbily. They gave him a very small pension, so they didn't behave in an honourable way. And then a couple of phrases with shabby. You can have shabby chic. This is a type of design from the 1980s for furniture and furnishings, where you choose a piece of furniture because it's got signs of age, it's got signs of wear and tear of being used. And that is shabby chic. So the furniture itself is solid and works well and is in good condition, but the paint, a bit of paint's missing here. This thing has been broken and repaired. Okay, shabby chic. And there's also a phrase we use, that's not too shabby, which means quite good. So I hope this video is not too shabby. I hope it's quite good. The job you did there was not too shabby. It was none too shabby. It was quite a good job. So next question, formality. I'm going to give shabby a flat 5. It's a flexible word. You can use it in an informal conversation and in a formal writing. So, goes both ways and that's good. And then the origin, well, I think this word is alliteration of the word scabby. It comes from the word scabby. If you cut yourself, then a scab grows on top while the cut is repairing itself. And then we have that itself comes from the Old English word scab, which I think means in poor condition or in poor health. So shabby, in bad condition, worn out. A shabby hotel. Shabby, second hand, second rate, second substandard, shoddy. He did a shabby job. And then unfair, mean, dishonourable. He behaved very shabbily. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Shabby.